office release, let's start the video now. Netflix proved that they are capable of producing heartfelt and giant facts suggest with Love on the Spectrum seasons 1 and 2, and now fanatics are eagerly watching for whether or not season 3 is happening. Love at the Spectrum functions a cast of hopeful romantics, and they are at the autism spectrum and exploring the invigorating international of relationships. After Love at the Spectrum season 2 became a hit, here is the entirety you want to recognize about a likely season 3. Regrettably, there may be presently no phrase on Love at the Spectrum season 3. While the dearth of and replace would possibly disappoint a few fanatics, this is not an awful news. One cause why Love at the Spectrum visitors have to maintain out wish for season 3 is the collection tune report of saying new seasons. The 5-component inaugural season premiered on Netflix in July 2020, however season 2 is in no use till many months after the finale. Thus Netflix may want to announce season 3 at the time among now and the start of 2022. Additionally, hopes for season 3 are reinforced with the aid of using season 2's elevated episode count. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. By including every other episode to Love at the Spectrum season 2, Netflix and ABC TV confirmed that they may want to devote or diving deeper into the affection memories of the lover forged. Season 2 is receiving all the reverence because of the first season, and so it would be stunning for Netflix and ABC TV to cancel the prestigious fact-quoting collection now. After fascinating first season, it's comprehensible that fanatics need to understand the entirety there may be about a likely Love at the Spectrum season 3. For the time being, however, Netflix and the Australian community generating the acclaimed fact display are preserving their lips sealed. Fortunately, if the display remains on course, fanatics can be taking part in every other season of Love on the Spectrum earlier than they understand it. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our videos then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.